Disclaimer, I'm not a Linux expert. I barely know how to use the terminal, but this problem was incredibly frustrating and I managed to find the solution. I don't know if it'll fix it for you. It may or may not. I'm using Linux Mint 22.3 and I have no idea, okay, with this kind of thing, no idea, but this is how I managed to fix the problem of, well, it's not necessarily a problem, it's technically a feature, the Bluetooth hands-free, the HSP, HFP, the low-quality Bluetooth protocol profile thingy-majig that's incredibly annoying. This will disable your Bluetooth microphone, by the way. I'm pretty sure it will, unless there's some other one that isn't using that, whatever. But if you don't use your Bluetooth microphone, and all this does is make your audio go to mono at a low bit rate for no reason and ruins everything, this is how you fix it. You go to your file system, and then you should open it as root. I'm not going to do it here because I already did this, and it should say that, like, elevated privileges, USR, share, wire plumber, and Bluetooth Lua.lua.d and 50 blues config.lua. Then another elevated privileges, open it as root. File system etc wire plumber, which is not there. You're gonna have to create that folder yourself with the elevated privileges. Then Bluetooth.lua.d, another folder you have to create yourself, and put this in there, a copy. Okay, and in this copy, you should make it look like this. Usually, it'll look like this, where line 17 has all this stuff in it. There's this alternate version from that forum post I found. I'll put it in the description as well. Just this. It's just kind of a space. It kind of just ends there for some reason. And uncomment the line of code. No dash dash. So it actually functions. And it should be good. And I'm assuming because you open this with open as root, this elevated privileges, you can click on this and it won't be read-only like it is right now for me. It won't be read-only, and you can actually edit the file and Control-S or save. Hopefully that'll work. You gotta reboot your computer, and hopefully you can open your sound folder. Open your sound settings, and there won't be any bullshit here. And you can actually, enjoy being on your computer without bullshit happening. Whoopie-doo. Hopefully, I'm begging on my knees that this works for you, because if it doesn't, I have no idea how to help you. Except, well, I don't want to say except, because one guy said that this bricked his crap, so I don't know if you want to try it. I tried it and nothing happened, but if you go to File System, etc., and Bluetooth, and Main, he tried adding something to this that I'm not going to find the post again. It didn't work for me. Okay, I'll include a link to it just in case the other one doesn't work. But I'm just going to warn you that another guy said that it bricked his crap to where no sound was working correctly. So no idea. But you got to add something here that said I don't know. Okay, I don't give a shit. Okay, I'm done making this tutorial.